So I mentioned that I have a small shop. So this is where I do my large cutting, is outside. And I'll show you what this looks like. I have sawhorses, and I'll talk through those. So I had these metal sawhorses years ago, and they had some just crappy 2x4s on top. So what you see here is the result of a lot of research. You can get these at, well, you can get the sawhorses at Lowe's, Home Depot, whatever. They're galvanized, blah, blah, blah. They fold up. They have horrible edges on them, so using them, wear gloves. Ebco, St. Louis, Missouri. So what we have here for the top is a sacrificial board that can be replaced on both. This is a 2x4 on top of a 2x6, and I've got some 2x3s, and the 2x3s are spaced, see the gap in the middle, that I can put a plywood frame on here that snugs up to this side, fits in the middle, and on the edge across both of them, and then have horizontal pieces to do panel cuts.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.
Too many hobbies, not enough time.
It's a theme song, y'all.